There's a time when the furnace roared, steel and sweat on the factory floor. From father to son they passed it down, built with pride in a small town crown. Imbleau and Son stood the test, one of Canada's proud and best. A family name in iron and flame, but nothing in gold can stay the same. Now the fire's gone cold, and the story's been told. The final sparks will fade away, but memories in steel will stay. They shaped this land with working hands. Now silence walks those iron stands. Lucy Imbleau gave the word. Her voice was soft but clear and heard. This foundry's run will soon be done. Late January we let go our last one. It's more than bricks and rusted beams, it's the echo of 1,000 dreams. They forged their mark in every scene, a legacy not lost, just seen. Now the fire's gone cold, but the heart's still bold. Though the gates will close and tools grow still, their spirit lingers on the hill. Imbleau, your name remains carved in time like weathered chains. Imbleau and Son, one of Canada's oldest family-owned businesses, but not for much longer. The foundry will cease operations in late January, when the remaining staff are let go, says owner Lucy Imbleau. So here's to the forge and the folks it made, to every spark, every cast, every trade. Though the fire's gone out and the story ends, we remember them well, our foundry friends.